Alright, DIYers and armor enthusiasts, just finished fixing my kerosene heater. It was down for about 2 years. I left the cover off because basically, and the other day I got it running. I thought it was fixed, and it ends up that this little connector, this little wire to the spark plug, was not fully seated, so it would run. It would run great. Well, it was running, and then the next day when I came to use it, which was basically yesterday or 2 days ago, it wouldn't start. And I checked everything. I checked all my connections, and I didn't see anything obvious. So I started to take it. Well, actually, I went back to my videos on YouTube, and this guy on D&E Garage, he gives a really nice troubleshooting analysis of these heaters, what can be wrong. And basically, one of the things he indicated was that if it's not starting, it could be the spark plug. So I figured, after I checked everything and didn't see anything obvious, I would go to the spark plug. And while I was doing that, this cable came off really easily. So I'm like, wow, it came off too easily because there's a little connector there. You can see that little black strip that snaps it on, and it's not easy to get off. And when it just came out in my hands very easily, I knew something was wrong. So I connected it and I started it, and it ran great. So the problem was when I reassembled it, I did not connect that properly. And so that's what was causing my problem. This problem started like 2 years ago, actually. And at that time, I tried to just fix it on my own without doing any research, without checking the videos on YouTube. And I thought that I needed a new filter, so I replaced that filter element, and that didn't fix it. So then it sat until I had time, and until it got cold, and when I needed to work outside, which is this year. So I left the cover off just so that I could show you this spark plug wire, and it's pretty cool actually watching it. So I'm going to start it up. There's a fuse right here. I'm just checking it, making sure it's on. It's in the on position, and I'm going to give it some juice and watch it power up. Here's the juice. There we go. Took a second to turn on. Nice little. It's really not so nice. Blows out a lot of carbon dioxide. So unfortunately, this heats up pretty good, but you have to leave it go open. Or leave a pretty amount of something open, so that way you don't suffocate from carbon monoxide poisoning. That's it. I ended up eating the fork. I used a wire gauge. Disassembled it. Cleaned it. And that was the fix. Before that, she was turning off. She would run for a few minutes. Turn off. Actually, she run for about 5 minutes, which is pretty long, and then turn off. That was because the cord was dirty. Other than that, this thing has been pretty good for the years that I've had it, and I inherited it. I don't know how old it is. I gotta think it's pretty freaking old.
DIYers and armor enthusiasts. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. There is another video on my page, and there are a lot of tons of videos. I had to search through until I found a really good one, that D&E In The Garage.